Hi everyone, welcome back. In case you were wondering what I'm up to in our garden, today I am planting some fruit trees. So I got 6 dwarf fruit trees. I got 2 cherries, plum, nectarine, apple and pear, and they're all bare rootstock. So I just put them in water to soak for about a day and a half, 2 days, and now I am about to plant it. And I got these pots that I got, so I have 6 of them because there is 6 trees, and obviously I did put drainage holes in, and then I have some gravel on the bottom of the pot for some drainage, and then some compost. Unfortunately they didn't have peat-free. I'm gutted because I just love using peat-free, obviously from the environmental perspective, but I did really need to pot these up, unfortunately, so I'm gonna use just a normal multi-purpose. Okay, so first I put some gravel on the bottom of the pot, and that will obviously serve as drainage, because to be able to grow any plant really well, actually, you do need drainage so it doesn't get waterlogged. Not many plants like to sit in water, and fruit trees, although they like to be moist, they also need some place for the water to drain off if they need. So here are the trees. As I said, I've soaked them in a bucket of water. They're basically just bare roots, so soak them in. It's been a day and a half, so they just need to get, because they come in as bare root, they need to get the moisture in, so that's why you need to soak them. So this is how the trees came in. So this is cherry, sweet cherry Stella, and so it's literally just a root like this, which I will pop in and obviously put more soil in. The most important thing is that because they're grafted, obviously they're grafted on a dwarf rootstock, so the shorter one is the rootstock. I don't know which it is, to be perfectly honest, but it doesn't matter. Hopefully they'll be all fine. So yeah, so the most important thing is not to bury above the rootstock. So you can put soil up to here, literally not to cover the rootstock, because you would basically kill them. So yeah, I'm just gonna put more soil in, and then I'll show you when it's done.